What's the meaning of Al Jolson? Al Jolson. Al Jolson. Al Jolson. Al Jolson. Al Jolson.
Al Jolson was an American singer, comedian, and actor known for his performances in the first part of the 20th century. He was widely regarded as the king of blackface performers due to his frequent use of the controversial makeup in his shows. Jolson rose to fame in the 1910s with hits such as Swanee and My Mammy. He appeared in several films and was known for his charismatic stage presence. Despite his popularity, Jolson's use of blackface has been criticized in modern times as racially insensitive and offensive.